What's going on, guys? Zach Sturmshes here. Welcome to another Twisted video. We got a crazy server, a high risk, 86 Fahrenheit, dew points up to 76 Fahrenheit, cape up to 6,474 joules per kilogram, WAP 1.7, very rain wrap tornadoes, storms moving to the southeast at 75 miles per hour, 100 degrees northeast, 130 degrees northeast, with super tornado parameters of 20, violent tornado parameters of 5. Very boosted server, so I'll keep you guys posted. Let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, we're heading to the storm, so yeah, keep you guys posted. Currently we have a tornado warning moving down to the southeast towards Hibben. So yeah, we got rotation and potentially a tornado on the ground already. A green TVS, so this tornado potentially going for Hibben, so I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, we're moving to the east right now. We're gonna drop north and see if we can see the wall cloud. Huge wall cloud on this. Is there a tornado on the ground already? Oh, large Wedge tornado on the ground. Large tornado on the ground. I repeat, a large Wedge tornado on the ground. Large tornado on the ground. Oh my. Alright, keep you guys posted. An update, the storms are getting more intense and this tornado potentially might be going for Funkley or past south of Funkley and is heading straight to the east. So yeah, we're gonna try to get a probe intercept on this Wedge tornado, so I'll keep you guys posted on this dangerous situation unfolding right now. And a 25 high risk. This is the highest high risk I've ever been in, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more of this crazy content. There's the sirens going off of Funkley. Now this tornado just turned into a stovepipe at the moment right now. Tornado's gonna be very close to Funkley, folks. This is not good at all. This is not good. The tornado is now moving to almost due east right now. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Large tornado. Large tornado. Jumped on the hammer probe. Go, 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 go. Go. Jumped on the hammer probe. Go. Go, 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 go. Go, folks. Go. No, 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 no. Don't die. Oh, this tornado spared me, folks. Winds up to 139. Backside winds are coming. Wow. Listen to the roar. .210. 211, sorry. Violent tornado. An EF5 tornado already. Alright, keep you guys posted. I'll keep you guys posted once you get in front of the tornado once again. Black Pixels! Going for Prior Lake. Not good, not good, not good, folks. Not good, not good. Potentially going for Prior Lake and potentially might go for Starbuck if it shifts more to the southeast right now. Not good. Strong tornado. Strong violent tornado on the ground. Large wedge. Not good at all. Not good. Right now we're going through Hibbing, because we're going to try to get in front of this tornado. Getting too close. Alright, we're going to try to get an intercept here, folks. We're going to try to punch through this core. Oh, no, 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 no. Back up. Oh, debris! Debris! Massive pieces of debris. Not good, not good. Massive wedge crossing right in front of us. Getting stronger, stronger as it goes. Just gotta wait for it to cross the road here, folks. Actually, I'll drop down south on this road down here. So I'll keep you guys posted once we get in front of the tornado for the third time. Massive wedge over there. We're dropping this way. We're going to try to get another intercept on this thing. Listen to the roar as we get closer. Large violent tornado. Large tornado. Potentially going to hit Starbuck. It's moving down. Oh, tornado emergency on the storm for Viroqua now. Not good, folks. Listen to the roar. I'm gonna get a little more closer, but not too close. For to see. Look at the motion on this. Look at the wall cloud. It's huge. The tail cloud's huge. Violent tornado in a 25 high risk day. So I'll keep you guys posted once we get in front of it once again when it crosses the road. Right now, folks, it might potentially go for Starbucks, so this is not good, folks. Not good at all. It might be going for Starbuck. It's shifting. Let's see where it's shifting at. Yep, it's going for Starbuck. I'm going to turn on this road down south and then go to the east and potentially try to get in front of it again. Just keep you guys posted. Change the plans. We're going north and then east up to this road up here. It's a better road. This is a dirt road. I just want regular road, so I'll keep you guys posted once we're in Starbuck. We're going into Starbuck. We're going to Starbucks, so I'll keep you guys posted if we see any damage. Starbucks getting hit. No. Massive destruction. We're probably going to drop into Viroqua to go to the other tornado. Debris! Not good, folks. Not good. Not good. Keep you guys posted. Oh, them houses got hit over there. Oh, still debris! Massive debris. Oh my gosh. Keep you guys posted. We're gonna potentially try to get in front of this tornado that is going for Viroqua. So yeah, I'm gonna check radar. That tornado passed Viroqua, so we're gonna go to the storm up north. Going towards, I don't know where, but we're just gonna drive straight north. I'll keep you guys posted once it gets a tornado warning. And once it has a TVS on radar. Okay, it has a tornado warning. It is going towards potentially Helma or Viroqua. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted once we see the rotating wall cloud. We got a green TVS on radar just to the southwest of Almora. Now to the south of Almora. This is not good for Almora, folks. Well, it is good for Almora. It didn't get hit, but they potentially might have just got hit by a violent tornado. Alright, I'll keep you guys posted once we get a little more closer to this tornado that's potentially condensating on the ground already. It's up to an orange TVS. A potential violent tornado is on the ground. I repeat, a potential violent tornado is on the ground. I repeat, move into the southeast towards potentially Viroqua, because Viroqua is not in a tornado warning yet, but Helma, parts of Helma, and potentially Nateville might get hit. So keep you guys posted. Big rotating wall cloud, huge wall cloud. Not that huge, but you know, it's a decent sized wall cloud. Is there a full on Wedge tornado on the ground? Oh my, there is a potential stovepipe, maybe even a wedge on the ground. It's a stovepipe at the moment right now, folks. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Listen to the roar! Violent tornado! Stovepipe! Crossing the road right in front of me, folks. This potentially might hit Nateville. Yeah, it's gonna pass very close to Nateville, folks. This ain't good for Nateville. I think I see Nateville up there. Yep. Nateville's getting hit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Stop, stop, stop. We're in circulation. Oh, power flash is doing major damage to Nateville. Not good, not good. Nateville just got hit. A stovepipe to a wedge tornado right in front of me, folks. This is crazy. I don't see any debris flying. I'll keep you guys posted once it's off in the field out there. Yep, Nateville just got a direct hit potentially from the tornado. A pink TVS. Thankfully, it missed Viroqua and it didn't hit populated cities, thankfully. But it did hit definitely Nateville and the south side of Almora. If the tornado up there when it first formed was probably really weak. Because it was a green TVS when it first dropped. Now it's a pink TVS, so I'll keep you guys posted. I'll keep you guys posted on the damage and Nateville as soon as I get up here. So yeah. Oh, Nateville got a direct hit from the tornado. Not good, folks, not good. Not good at all. A violent tornado hit Nateville. This is not good. Violent tornado hit Nateville. Trying to get a... Whoa, look at that lightning. Large lightning strike. Alright, we're going on this dirt road. Keep you guys posted. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out. Strong Shishra out. Have a great afternoon.